Wix website tutorial, the ultimate guide to master Wix. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you guys step by step how you can get started from scratch on Wix and build your own professional website. Let's get into it. To get started, simply head on over to wix.com and then click on Get Started on the top right. From here, you're going to sign up. So firstly, you're just going to provide your email address like so. Then you are going to confirm your email over here. Once you've done that, you're going to choose a suitable password for your Wix account. And once you have completed all of these steps, you can click on sign up on the bottom to get started. Now that we have created our account on Wix, they are going to ask us a couple of onboarding questions. You can click on the bottom right skip icon to skip these. Now, Wix has a new AI assistant, and you can get started with the AI assistant so you have a better idea of what you're trying to build. You can set this up and start chat, or you can set it up without chatting with the Wix AI. I'm going to skip all of these onboarding questions because we want to move directly towards our dashboard and directly towards building our own website. Now, the best part about using Wix is how easy it is to build. So firstly, we're going to set up our website name, which is going to be Lily's. After that, we're going to add the goal for this site. So this particular website is to promote a business and collect leads and promote myself. And then we're going to click on continue. For my particular website, I don't want to include e-commerce capabilities or bookings or events. I don't think I have any particular application I want to add, but I do want to include a portfolio. And then just click on continue, then click on continue to dashboard so you can move towards your Wix dashboard. Now, this is what your dashboard is going to look like, but we want to get started with designing our site. To do that, click on Design Site on the top right to get started. Now, you have two ways to get started. Either you can generate a design with AI or customize a template. So you can pick a template and customize that, or you can continue with setup for now. I want to proceed with a template. And the reason for that is because I really like to see the options that I have and move forward from there. So on the top, you can also see different filters that you can use. Let's say that I want to go ahead and go with something such as creative, and I want this to be maybe a branding or fashion design type site. And you guys can see there are so many amazing templates for those as well. Now, the best part is that if you find these templates to be too much, you can always click on blank template on the top right and use one of these. These are easier to build because they don't have a lot of pre-built content in them, and you might not feel too overwhelmed whenever you're designing with a pre-built template. Now, I'm going to be using this particular template because I really like it and it's really the style that I want my own site to be. I'm just going to click on edit, and once I've clicked on edit, this will open up my Wix website editor. The Wix website editor has two variations. You have the Wix Studio editor, then you have the regular Wix website editor. For beginners, the Wix website editor is pretty nice, but the Wix Studio editor provides you with more customizations. But for most people, you're really not going to need so many customizations. Now, let's get started with designing this template and making it our own. So we're just going to wait for this to add all the elements. And once our template has been loaded up, you guys can see that you can enhance your AI content. And this is a really easy AI tool. This is one that I really love to use with AI and with Wix. And that is because when you have a website template and you're trying to get started from scratch and put in all of your content, it can be really difficult and overwhelming. So instead, you can write some details about your site. So this is a stylist and fashion designer showcasing her styling portfolio like this. And this is a local business. And then I'll just click on generate site text. Now it's going to replace some of the pre-existing content into my own content using AI. This just makes it easier in the long run, and I just find myself, quicker when I'm, setting up content. Now from here, we can get started with designing. So I'm going to zoom this to 100% and I'm going to click on the top left where it has the title. I'm going to replace the title with lilies. Then you guys can see we have different types of sections. We have a spring summer collection, graduate collection, about me, and portfolio. These two pages are not relevant to me, so I'm just going to delete them directly because I don't have collections that I want to display. I just want to display my portfolio. Now on the home page, I will edit this section. I'm going to zoom out to 50% and I'm just going to resize this a little. And then I'm going to take this image over here, click on Manage Media. And then from here, you guys can see certain images have been selected. I can click on Add Media and add my own images. So simply upload your own content over here. Click on Upload Media and upload from your computer. You can go ahead and then select the images that you want to be using. I have these images and I'll just click on Open. And it's really convenient if you upload all of your media files all together beforehand, because if you don't upload them, you're going to have to upload as you go, which again is not too bad, but it just makes it easier if you have everything loaded up. It just makes it easier if you have everything loaded up already. So now I'm just removing the template images that were being used. And now I'm just going to use my own. And then I'm going to click on Done. And once you do that, your media images are going to be replaced. Then you can also set up, your gallery, how you want the layout to look like, how these sliders should work, how you want everything to be structured. I like this column view a bit better. It just looks really dynamic. And once I've done that, I can move towards building my portfolio. If you want, you can add another section by going into Add Elements on the left. This will allow you to add things like images, text, decorative items into your Wix site. You can also go into the Add section, and this allows you to take these pre-built templates and fill it in with your own content. I'm going to go into Pages and then I'll open up the Portfolio page. And once I open up the Portfolio page from the left, this will display some sample content. From here, you can click on Manage Project and you can actually create multiple different project collections in your portfolio directly from your dashboard. After that, this will allow you to display them. So you can click on Manage Projects here and choose to display the ones that you are the most proud of. You can display it projects in a certain collection as well. Let's say my work is related to this, and then I can upload my work over here. Let's say this is some of my work, and then I can click on Open, and then I can generate my projects. Now, just like that, once we have completed all of this basic setup, we can click on Save on the top right to save our site, or click on Publish to directly publish our site. Wix allows us to have access to a free domain with Wix, and this is what your Wix site is going to look like within 10 minutes. And if you want to use your own custom domain, you do have to upgrade to a premium version of Wix where you're able to customize further and link your own domain and remove Wix branding. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.